Na-experience mo na ito, what if God already provided for you, pero hindi sa ine-expect mo? You're waiting for success, but God is offering you clarity. Pag-usapan natin to. Hi, this is Kitan, your Pambansang Wealth Coach. Alam mo, minsan may pinagpipray tayo na may in-expect tayo kay God, di ba? Pero iba naman ang reality. Iba yung expectation from reality. Nag-pray ka na ng promotion, tapos ang binigay sa'yo ni Lord, challenges, mga problema sa buhay. Na-experience na yon. Ang gulo, di ba? Pero yun nga, the reality is this, the mistake that we often parang experience, I personally experience, is waiting for the answered prayer pero hindi mo alam may iba palang plano si Lord sa iyo. Kaya sa video na ito, I will help you to recognize ano ba talaga ang tunay na layunin ng Diyos para sa buhay po natin, especially when it comes to mga hinihintay natin. And the reality is this, marami na akong kapalpakan sa buhay and I don't want you to also experience the same mistake. So, right now, bago tayo mag-start, I want you to type in the comment section. Meron ka bang pinagpipray kay God na hanggang ngayon hindi pa sinasagot? Pakishare lang sa comment section. Honestly, lahat tayo, we are asking God for breakthrough. Ang dami nating mga prayers. Probably a better job, a better pay, a sign that you are moving in the right direction. Pero alam mo, sometimes, wala pa rin nangyayari. Di ba? It's been years. Instead of clarity, we have confusion. Instead of answered prayer, we have delayed answers. So ano po nangyayari? Ang nangyayari yan, lalo tayong na-frustrate. Pero ito yung na-realize ko talaga. Ang na-realize ko talaga, kung pinilit po natin isang bagay na hindi pa talagang timing, lalo tayong mahirapan. Na-experience mo na ba to yung hindi ka sigurado sa isang bagay, pero pinilit mo pa rin? Alam mong mali, pero pinilit mo pa rin? Well, if you have experienced that, pareho tayo. Kasi ang reality is this, na-train ng ating utak na talagang maging productive, progressive, di ba? At the same time, sumakses po tayo. So parang yung mantra natin, we make things happen. Again, wala namang problema in order for you to make things happen. But honestly, there are times that we don't need to make things happen. Before we make things happen, we need to be clear of what we want to happen. Kasi parang lumabas ka, di ba? Parang gumiyahe ka. Oh, di ka, biyahe tayo. Saan? Basta kahit saan. No, bago ka bumiyahe, alamin mo muna saan ka pupunta. Bakit ka pupunta? Gaano katagal ka pupunta? Anong kailangan mong dalhin para ikaw ay makapunta? Kaya kailangan, bago pa tayo gumawa ng isang bagay, kailangan klaro. Oo, everybody say klaro. Oo, type klaro sa comment section. Clear dapat kung bakit mo ginagawa yan. Bakit po natin nami-miss yung clarity before yung result na gusto natin? Kasi feeling natin, honestly, let's real talk tayo. Feeling natin, yung clarity kasi delay. Diba? Hindi pa nangyayari. So, ang nape-pressure po tayo, nagkakaroon tayo ng comparison, diba, with other people. Bakit siya? Promoted na ako? Hindi. Bakit siya? May pamilya na ako? Wala. Hindi. Bakit siya? Diba, yumaman na ako? Hindi. Well, ang tawag niyan, impatience. Ignoring clarity will cost you more than waiting. Believe me. Kaya nga, let us not chase. This is one thing that I've realized. Huwag tayo magkaroon ng addiction na talagang kailangan po tayo na mag-add ng mag-add. Sometimes, alam mong ginagawa ni Lord, instead na mag-add, magbawas. God doesn't just give us things. He remove actually yung mga unnecessary things in our life. Probably a bad relationship. Probably a bad decision in the past. Diba? Yan ang gusto mo nang tanggalin ni Lord sa buhay natin para magkaroon tayo ng clarity. So right now, ito lang, maybe sabihin mo, Chinky, I don't understand what you're talking about. Right now, I will give you right now the 3 signs. Clarity is an answered prayer. Number 1, you lose excitement without losing the opportunity. Ano ibig sabihin? The door is open, nandiyan ka, okay, pero wala pa rin nangyayari. Parang nag-work ka ngayon, parang feeling mo wala pa rin progress, pero God wants you to stay in this moment. Maybe it's a business na hindi pa masyado nag-work, but God is telling you not to quit. Sign number 2, okay, walang nangyayari, pero meron kang peace. Na-experience na ba yun? O yung parang, Lord, but parang nothing is happening, but I know may promise ka sa akin. Meron kang peace of mind na everything will work out well. That's sign number 2. Sign number 3, hindi ka na nagpo-push. When you say hindi ka nagpo-push, hindi mo na pinipilit. Ibig sabihin yan, sinurrender mo na. Lord, if this is your will, it's your bill. If this is your way, I will trust in your way. So actually, pag yan ang nararamdaman mo, hindi ang confusion, guidance yan. Alam mo, pag meron kang peace, kahit na may problema ka sa buhay, ibig sabihin, God is with you. Pero alam nyo, kung ikaw pinilit mo yan, pag hindi pa clear kung bakit hindi mo ginagawa, alam mo, ang mangyayari niyan, pag pinush mo, magsisisi ka. Pag pinush mo, mawawala ang peace mo. Pag pinush mo yan, may stress ka. So right now, at this certain moment and season of your life, Anong mahalaga sa'yo? Resulta ba or clarity? Kaya nga especially in the area of finance, alam mo mahalaga sa inyo this year, hindi yung anong gusto mo mangyari. Dapat maging clear muna kung anong gusto mo at anong gustong pagawa sa iyo ni Lord. Because ignoring clarity can cost you more. And God's delay is God's protection. Sana naka-encourage tong episode na ito. You are just in the right time. Kahit wala pang masyadong nangyari, don't panic. It's organic. Kaya my final question to you is this. Ano yung sinasabi sa iyo ng Diyos right now sa sitwasyon mo na kailangan maging clear muna sa'yo bago kapag gumalaw? Again, let me tell you this, when God blesses you with something, He adds no trouble to it. Sana naman nakatulong tong episode na ito. If you like this episode, again mga ka-friendship, this is a series. If you want us to continue the series, please type continue in the comment section. Tatandaan, tamang karunungan, tamang disiplina ang susi sa pagyaman.
Chinky Tan, with over 6 million Facebook followers, 2.8 million YouTube subscribers, and 2.4 million TikTok fans, is now all out to share with you the most practical, simplest path to lasting wealth.